Howdy friends, today's unboxing a too good product, Asus 6Z. I get this on categories like new. Before start video, please like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in the top I button have more videos. Let's start. A too good product. I get that is an Asus 6Z. Let's unbox. This one, I think 1 hour before I unbox this one. Let's show up the box. This is Asus 6Z. This is our too good product. I get original box because a product of like new. Asus 6Z. A too good.com website, a Flipkart. Estimate guys. Show the process everything. Snapdragon 855 processor. 2019. The Snapdragon 855 and every processor, and the main highlights is flip camera. Check the flip camera. Yes, let's start unbox. Before everything, cut this one box. No need to open this one. Actually, this one everything open. Everything I get this one. Thanks for too good. See guys, inside the silicone cover, not silicone, this one a bumper cover. Good, it's not bad. See, not very hard. Keep it here. This is our phone. This is 212 bill and a 212 warranty. User manual. Keep it here, phone, everything there. Inside everything I get. See guys, the 18-volt charger, it original everything, not use anything. See Asus logo there. The USB type C, USB type C cable. Just keep it. Come back to phone. This is our phone guys. See, little bit only one side scratch. No anything problem. But it's category like new. No anything scratch, but I get only little scratch. But I put everything there, screen guard also yesterday. See guys, boot the phone. See, very fast to boot. Just after setup, we'll see guys, everything set up there. I'll check the flip camera. This is our camera. Let's take the photo of the Asus 6Z. 48 megapixel camera and back and front. Wide angle 16. See, wide angle photo. HDR mode. Too many modes there. Look at it guys. Our flip camera. Show the quality of the flip camera. See the quality of the flip camera. No need to hide idle face. Camera working very well. No anything issue. I get this one. Picture quality also very good. See the zoom, the quality. Snapdragon 845 and one more feature, 5000 mAh battery. Get fast charger, 18 volt. Too many NFC feature, everything there. The fingerprint very fast also this one. It is still not active with the fingerprint. The face unlock also very fast. But no need to use the face unlock because of phone sleeping time. The phone is coming with flip camera. So no need to use the face unlock. Just use the fingerprint scanner. Asus fingerprints are very good because I before also purchased Asus 5Z in toogood.com, also good phone. But its category is like super. This one category like new. That's all, guys. You need more video like this unboxing, check in the top I button. Have more videos. Too good product. Have Flipkart, Amazon, everything you product you can purchase online. I'll give you unboxing. Check in the top. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing. Check in the top I button. Have more videos. Okay, guys. Next take review is a full feature of the phone review. Check in description box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Asus 6Z togood.com categories like new. I'll give you description why I want to link because don't have not stock now. Out of stock running. Okay, guys. Buy and share this video.